My name is Jónína Herdís Ólafsdóttir. I'm studying freshwater biology here in Iceland. I used to think there was nothing left to be found, but I'm realizing that we're really just scratching the surface of what is really here. I didn't expect anything that beautiful to exist. We're basically looking at groundwater biodiversity, and we're using scuba diving to access the study areas. No other team has ever studied the biology or the ecology of underground fissures. When we dive in the fissure, we're carrying around 40 kilos of equipment. The reason I wanted to look at this is because there's been no studies done on the biology or biodiversity of the fissures. We're creating a zip line to gain better access to the water.
Wow.
It's a little bit steep over there, so we want to be very careful. But sometimes we just have to jump. I've been diving for a long time and always loved diving, especially the fissures here in Iceland. Those are my favorite spots to dive in, and I completely fell in love with them on day one. When you first come into the fissure, the very crystal clear water is a dead giveaway that there's not much living in the water column. If you look closer, you'll start seeing that there are in fact thousands of animals. There's many different habitats within one fissure. We have species living here which can't be found anywhere else in the world. One diver has a pump on its body, which we use to suck biological material off the walls, as we're collecting samples to take back to the lab. So far, we've made some exciting discoveries, like a copepod species no one knew existed in Iceland. I'll have to take it to the lab. I have a huge passion for this area, and I've been thinking even the possibility of researching similar areas in other places. I really like combining these two passions of mine, the diving and the science. As long as I can continue to dive, I think I'll be happy.